In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a funnel in ClickFunnels. If you've ever wanted to guide your visitors through a tailored journey, boosting conversions and sales, then you're in the right place. We're going to walk through the process step by step to ensure you have all the tools you need to create an effective funnel. First things first, you need to access the funnel builder. So start by logging into your ClickFunnels account. If you're new to ClickFunnels, don't worry. It's designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard. Look for the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see a range of options, but for now, we're focused on funnels. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking on funnels, you'll be taken to a page that showcases all your existing funnels. If this is your first time, this section might be blank, and that's totally fine. What you're going to want to do next is direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see a button labeled Create Funnel. This is where the magic happens, so go ahead and click on it to start building your new funnel. Now, let's pause here for a moment. The reason why creating a funnel in ClickFunnels is such a powerful tool is because of its ability to automate and optimize how you convert visitors into leads and then customers. Whether you're selling a product, offering a service, or just gathering leads, a well-structured funnel is designed to take your potential customer on a journey from awareness to interest and finally to action. After clicking Create Funnel, you'll be prompted to choose a funnel template or build one from scratch. ClickFunnels offers a variety of templates tailored for different purposes, like product launches or webinars. If you're feeling creative, you can start with a blank slate, but for now, let's focus on using a template to simplify things. As you select your template, consider what your specific goals are. Think about what action you want users to take at the end of their journey. This will guide your choice of template. Once you've selected your template, ClickFunnels will automatically generate a series of pages, and you can customize each one according to your needs. Customization is key. You'll want to add your branding elements, adjust the text to convey your message clearly, and ensure your call to action is prominent. With ClickFunnels, you can easily drag and drop different elements onto your pages, like videos, text, images, to make your funnel not only effective, but visually appealing. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating a functional and attractive funnel in ClickFunnels. Remember, the goal is to create a seamless journey for your visitors, guiding them naturally towards making a decision. Play around with different elements, and don't hesitate to test your funnel to ensure it's as effective as possible. And with that, you're ready to watch your conversions grow.